morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the second lesson. The title of the lesson is a robbery. What is a robbery? Robbery is the crime of stealing money or things from a house, bank, shop, etc., especially using violence. Understood? So, the most common type of robbery committed on public streets. In this lesson, we are going to see how the Inspector Naresh is going to find a thief in Vasant Colony. Vasant Colony was shocked. A house in the colony had been burgled. Burgled means robbed. Mr. Sharma and his family had gone to attend a wedding. When they came back around midnight, their house was in a mess. In a mess means what? In total disorder. All their jewelry and cash had been stolen. They called the police. The police searched the whole house for clues. They found some footprints in the garden. There was a shoe near the garden wall. It must have come off while the thief was climbing over the wall. Inspector Naresh asked people in the neighborhood if they had seen any suspicious that night. Suspicious means doubtful. Mr. Hussain, the next door neighbor of the Sarmas, said, I heard some noise at night. I looked out of my window and saw someone climbing over the garden wall. And it was very dark and I couldn't see very well. But I am sure it was a man. He was tall and thin. Then the police questioned Raju, whose shop stood at the corner of the road. He could see Sharma's house from the shop. Raju said, I saw a man walking very fast. He came from the direction of the house. He was holding a bag close to his chest. I felt suspicious. I shouted at him to stop, but he ran away. He was short and thin. He looked little scared. He wore black trousers and a blue shirt. He had curly hair. The Sharmas then told the police that Samir, the ice cream vendor at the end of the road, might know something. He sold ice cream till late at night. The ice cream vendor said, Yes, I saw someone suspicious. It was 11 p.m. He was a bald man with a mustache. He was walking very fast. He kept looking back. I am sure he was the thief. Then the police questioned the Manis, who lived 2 houses away from the Sharmas, said that they had come home late after watching a movie. As they reached their house, they saw 2 young men on a motorcycle driving dangerously. Mrs. Mani said, I am sure they were thieves in a hurry to get away, and they looked like ruffians. What is the meaning of ruffians? Ruffians means troublemakers. When the police asked Mrs. Mani, did she see their faces? For that she replied, I just got a glimpse. Both had long hair, but one had a beard. Then the police caught 5 men who matched the descriptions given by all the witnesses. Then Inspector Naresh called each of the suspects to his room and questioned them in detail. At the end of the day, the police arrested Gattu. Can you guess, children, why he arrested Gattu? When Inspector Naresh asked each one to try on the shoe found in the garden, it fit for Gattu only. It fit Gattu perfectly. That's why he arrested Gattu. Understood? Children, go through this lesson 2 or 3 times. Thank you.